Hello everyone, welcome to the Civil Engineering Department. I am Pavitra Bhatt from LJ Polytechnic. In this video, we are going to study subject Traffic Engineering. This session is focused on parking study. In this video, we will discuss about introduction to parking study, objectives of parking study, types of parking study, types of parkings, on-street parking and off-street parkings. Let's start with our first topic, introduction to parking study. Nowadays, parking study is very much important because the enormous increase of vehicles has created the need for parking spaces in metropolitan cities. Second topic is objectives of parking study. To obtain information regarding demand for parking spaces. Second, to improvement and regulation of existing parking facilities. Third, for future development plans. Fourth, to demand for parking spaces. Fifth, to decide about pay parking. Next topic is types of parking service. There are mainly four types of parking service. First, parking space inventory. Second, parking usage survey by patrol. Third, questionnaire type parking usage survey. And fourth, cordon count. Next topic is types of parking. Types of parking is divided into two parts, on-street parking and off-street parking. Now let's talk about on-street parking. There are 5 types of on-street parking. First, parallel parking. Second, 30-degree angle parking. Third, 45-degree angle parking. Next, 60-degree angle parking. And last, right angle parking. First, parallel parking. Parallel parking consumes the maximum curb length. That means it makes the least use of the width of the street. And this is an important consideration in narrow street. Angle parking. There are 30-degree angle parking, 45-degree angle parking and 60-degree angle parking. From the viewpoint of maneuverability, angle parking seems to be better than parallel parking, which usually involves in backing motion. Delay to traffic is minimum with angle parking. Next, right angle parking. As you can see in this picture, the minimum curb length is consumed by right angle parking, which accommodates nearly 2 times the number of vehicles as parallel parking. In this type of parking, maximum road length is utilized. Last topic is off-street parking. Off-street parking is divided into 5 types: surface car parks, roof parks, underground car parks, multi-story parks, and last, mechanical car parks. First, surface car parks. Surface car parks properly located and developed on a piece on a vacant land and surrounding an office complex or supermarket are very popular with the motorization. A stall size of 2.5 meter into 5 meter is probably adequate for an Indian condition. Second, multi-story car parks. Surface car parks consumes too much of precious land in the heart of the city. In such cases, multi-story car parks is an alternative choice. Multi-story car parks have become common and popular in megacities like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, etc. Third, roof parks. Parking of vehicle on rooftop is a very popular method of solving the parking problems in many cities. Access ramps or mechanical lifts are provided the necessary access to the roof. The rooftop is specially designed to carry the load of parked vehicles. Fourth, mechanical car parks. Mechanical car parks provide for lifting of cars from floor to floor by means of a lift and transfer of cars, and from the parking stall by means of mechanically operated transfer dollies or cradles. Fifth, underground car parks. The main advantages of underground car parks is the least intrusion they cause to the aesthetics of a place. These car parks can be built in the basement of any multi-story building or below an open space. Since the work involves large quantities of excavation, construction of retaining walls, ventilation and tightening, such car parks leads to be very costly. In this video, we have taken a basic idea about parking study. I hope you have gone through the video session thoroughly. Now it's time to evaluate yourself as how much you understood the concept of parking study. You all are requested to attempt the quiz prepared for this topic. Just click on the link given in the description to start the quiz. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel LJP Civil. Thank you so much for watching this video.